Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For the others who are back, welcome back. Alright, so for today, oops, you can hear my dog. If you can hear them, just don't mind them because they're playing around at this time of the day when they're just done eating. So if you can hear them at the background, just don't mind them. They're gonna be our music right now. Okay, anyway, so for today we're gonna do where was I? Oh, yeah, for today we're gonna do an unboxing of the literary witch's oracle. So for the for my subscribers who are just new, we're not really new, for those who are just new to my channel. So if you are into flip throughs or Oracle Tarot flip throughs, please go ahead and click the subscribe button because I do an unboxing, first impressions, sometimes even reviews on different oracles or tarot cards. It's one of my, let's say, hobbies to collect oracle decks, tarot cards. I don't really read. I'm not gonna say I'm practicing, but I just try to like use it for fun purposes, for entertainment purposes, but not really as a profession like that. It's more like my fun side when I don't have anything to do or when I want to like distress or anything. I just try to go into oracle cards or tarot cards for fun, entertainment, like that. Okay, but I'm not a professional tarot reader, so I just wanted to show these unboxing these flip throughs because I know for others who are looking for oracle cards, tarot decks, who are making it their professions, or if tarot reading is already part of your life, then I just wanted to do this one so at least you'll have a glimpse of how the cards look like, what you're gonna see inside the box set, so at least that like you would know if you're gonna buy that deck or not. I'm just here to put an insight of how these oracle sets or tarot sets looks like. At least you'll have an idea of how it is. So for today, enough of the introduction. For today, I'm gonna do an unboxing by of the literary witch's oracle by Taisia Kitaiskaia. I'm not sure if I pronounced that one correctly, but I hope I did. Okay, and the artwork is by Katie Horan. So this is a 70 card deck, and it includes a guidebook inside. So it's the side, and this is published. Nice artwork, and this is published by. It's published by Random House by Clarkson Potter, which is an imprint of Random House. It retails rather for it retails for $19.99. Quiet. Okay, so hey. All right, so really, like I said, it's playtime for my dogs now. So let's see. Let me just remove the plastic cover for this. I'm gonna remove it. Alright, so this one so this one is like the same as it's the same as the Jane Austen tarot, if I'm not mistaken. Same look, same color as well. This kind of looks like the inside of the box rather of the Jane Austen tarot deck. So Let's see what it says here. Discover divination using the magic of literary genius. So unearth the wisdom of the witchiest women in literary history and let their brilliance illuminate your path. Drawn from the book Literary Witches, a celebration of magical women writers. I saw that book, but I haven't bought it yet. Okay, so the cards in the historical deck bear portraits of powerful female authors and mystical spell ingredients, both full of symbolism meant to nourish the witch that lives within you. So it has a seal on the side, and let's try to remove it. I'm not sure if I can. Okay, I've already removed the plastic, the side. Just gonna put it there for now. Okay, so wow, this really looks nice. Okay, so hinge box, but no magnetic flap on the side. It's kind of it's nice. I mean, you can just cover this, but you probably need to be more careful when you have to get this one, or if you're gonna have to carry it, or you can put back the seal on the side. All right, so anyways, here's the guidebook. We just it comes with a lift up ribbon. Let's just remove the cards for now. And you already saw the back. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside. Alright, so the guidebook is, let's start first with the guidebook. It's just thin. I think most of the Random House Oracle decks right now are thin, which is nice. I mean, it's better, like you can carry it around. So here goes the guidebook, and it dives directly into the meaning of the cards. No, reading the cards. Okay, so it has here the layouts rather. So we have a single card layout. For daily reading, we have 3-card layout. Just 3-card layouts. Okay, and then it dives directly into the meaning of the cards. So it's colored, which is nice. At least you really have a look on how it looks like. So we have the keywords about the person on the card. Right. So these are nice because it just gives you a bunch of keywords and about the person, and then that's for the first how many cards are these? Let's see. Just gonna check how many cards it is. Doesn't really indicate how many. Alright, so 30. Okay, it says in here. So using 30 author portraits from the book. So these are the 30 witches, and 40 paintings, and they are the witches materials. So these are the witches or the authors, and then the next 40 would be the witches materials, like these. So you can just use those materials or symbols to guide you with your readings as well. So it says in here, okay, so they serve as a medium for personal reflection. The symbolism of the cards can help you interpret your experience and focus your energy. These cards offer the presences of magical literary artists and their witchy familiars as portals to guidance meditation. So what we're gonna have to do later on is to yeah, like this one. We're gonna get one card from the author and one card from the witch's materials. Okay, to see how the reading goes. And let's proceed with the flip through for now. Oops, sorry for that. Alright, I think that one is much better. Okay. Cardstock is thick. It's pretty thick. I mean, not really the thickest one, but it's sturdy enough. It's to be bendable. And if you can see, these are textured cards as well. I'm not sure. Yeah, if you can see that one, they are textured. Same as the like I said, the other Random House published decks that I have, or Clarkson Potter published cards that I have, which is nice. They're really easy to shuffle, and they're easy to glide. They don't really stick together, which is nice. Right, so I'll proceed with the flip through, and here we go. Volcano. We have the tree, toad, teacup, spider, snail. I started from the last card, right? Which is cool. He started from the last card. Sorry. Okay, so those are the witch's materials, and we're gonna proceed with the authors right now. Oops, sorry. Okay. We're gonna do it on the other side. Virginia Woolf. Vision. And you have a keyword, one keyword at the bottom. Probably the main keyword for each of the cards. Gertrude Stein. You have Sappho, Maria Sabina, Alejandra Pizarnik. Is it Pizarnik or Pizarnik? It's Pizarnik. We have Flannery O'Connor. Love the name. Toni Morrison, Mirabai, Audre Lorde, Yumiko Kurahashi, Jamaica Kincaid, Shirley Jackson. I shouldn't be reading the names, I might mispronounce it. Zora Neale Hurston, Joy Harjo, Charlotte Perkins Gilman, Janet Frame, Faroxad. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing them. Sandra Cisneros, Agatha Christie, Eileen Chang. Let's see, I'm thinking it's Eileen Chang. Angela Carter, Anne Carson, Octavia Butler. I can smell the cards. Anna Akhmatova, Emily Bronte, Mary Shelley, Sylvia Plath, Anai Nin? Yep. Emily Dickinson. Okay, so those are the authors or the witches, and you have here the wolf. So I'm going to shuffle them separately just for you to see how it shuffles. Oops, let me just put it back. Alright, so that is how it shuffles, guys. So it's really easy. Right. And oops, sorry. Like I said, it's really easy to shuffle for these kind of decks or these kind of cards. You don't really need like, you know, too much. Oops, sorry. Really easy to shuffle. Right. Okay. I'm gonna shuffle these as well because we're gonna try to do a reading for the two cards. This is how it shuffles. And for sideways, it shuffles easy as well. See, and I really love it because you're not really gonna have a hard time shuffling the deck. And I think I prefer to shuffle it this way because it tends to really bend the card if I'm shuffling it like from the top to bottom. Okay, so I'm going to get one card for this is the top of the deck. Okay, so we have Shirley Jackson and bees. Where's the guidebook? Okay, let's see. It says here Shirley Jackson. It's about family. Okay. I think one of the problems that we're gonna have is finding the cards if we're gonna use the guidebook. Oh, sorry. Okay. So it says in here Shirley Jackson family. Okay. So it means domestic pleasures, domestic horrors, partnerships, and children. What's the... Yeah, it's about family. So anything is family involved. And you have there about Shirley Jackson. So she marries the ordinary with the supernatural and often speaks to the inhumanities of people endure. Her most famous story on the subject, The Lottery, was written after rural Vermont residents painted a swastika on her house. Yet keen observation and a sense of humor pervade many of her works, especially her very funny essays on racing for kids. And we have the bees. Where is the bee? Bees, where are you? Okay, there we go. So bees, it's about togetherness, work, and treasures. So if I'm gonna put them together, I would probably have to like say you have to you have like a strong foundation of family. Like it's working together, a strong foundation of family. So the bees means togetherness, work, and treasure. So it's like you're working together greatly with your family, and you like you have them as your treasure, or your full family are working together for great treasure. Your family itself is a treasure, so you have to like take good care of it. And that's how I would have to like define this. Always connect with your family, treasure your family, work together with your family, because they are the greatest treasure that you have rather in your life. Okay. So that's the card. Oh, by the way, the back of the card is awesome, right? A really, really, really witchy vibe that I have here, which is nice. I mean, it's not really scary. It's just how you think. I mean, how you perceive them. It's a nice card for me, though. It's a fun card. It's a fun oracle deck. I don't have any problem with this. It's really, really fun working with this, and I would really have to say I like working with this deck. Just with the sample reading that we had, I mean, it's something that's really, really usable. I mean, for the tarot readers out there, both professional and beginners, this would be a big help for all of you. So let's see. Okay, so sorry. Okay, I bumped into my camera. Okay, so this is the literary witches oracle. I think I'm still in focus. No. Okay, so this is the literary witches deck, guys, and let me just put them together. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is the literary witches oracle deck. Okay, anyways, so if you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. If you have any other oracle cards, any oracle um, box sets that you would like me to do a flip through or a review or a first impression thing, please go ahead and comment it down below, and I'll try to look for those cards or for those decks. Um, Also, if you have already used this, and if you have any ideas on how to use them together with other cards, tarot cards that you have, please go ahead and let me know how it worked for you, if it did resonate for you or not, if the cards matches the keywords and all that. Just share with me whatever experience you had working out with this oracle card, so that we can share our thoughts together. So thank you guys for watching. um don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the new ones, and hit the bell button for any notification if ever I'm going to upload a new review. Also, and that's it. So I just really love this one right now. I'm feeling this oracle deck right now. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.